ISRO at Sriharikota, and after a successful journey of 38 years of service, he recently retired on June 30th, 2023 from ISRO, Bangalore, as a group head for human rating certification for Gangayaan missions and deputy general manager for TTC ground stations and shipborne transportable terminals for Aditya L1 and forthcoming Gangayaan missions. During his long journey in ISRO, Sri Laxmi Narasimham U has successfully supported more than 40 various PSLV, GSLV, LVM launch vehicle and 60 satellite missions from all ISRO ground stations. He has been awarded with ISRO Team Excellence Award 2014. IDSN 32M ground station performance improvements for the support of Mars orbiter mission. We are honored to have you, sir, with us today, and we are more than welcome to be listening to the insights, expertise, and experiences that you will have to share with our students and faculty. Thank you so much, sir.
We have Chandrayaan mission. I think that was a very well publicized event by government, but at the very same time, I want that the thirst of knowledge, the kind of inquisitive mind which he had at that early age. I think the whole mission which he has right now is that how do we translate that into these young minds? How do we make sure that there are many, we need many to make India that actual superpower what we call, because US does not produce agricultural products, US does not do industrial production to it. China does maximum industrial production. What is that US does? US work on the R&D. US does work on the research and development, science, all that possible thing what is required for the future. They invest in the R&D. The entire population in the institution, the campuses, the thirst is on the research and technology. Here we need to bring that research and technology, that kind of under that perspective in the children's mind, so that they start developing for the future, not be the consumer of whatever is being produced by somebody. Okay, we have sent us, I think, a new vision, a new dream. We want all of you to have after listening to him.
That is the communication satellites. Okay. Suppose say communication basically for your GPS purpose. Now in our mobiles that position is coming. Okay, that locations and all things are coming. How it is coming? Because from your mobile it goes to satellite, then from satellite it comes to other station. Whereas satellite is stationary. Stationary means you are also moving, that fellow also moving. Okay. Suppose as if that fellow is at first floor. Okay, if total some wheel, if we put it, total building is moving like that. Okay, so these are called the geo. Geo means that is 36,000 kilometers, right? Stationary means with reference to earth. That is also stationary. Okay. Okay. Next, another thing is, okay, this is satellite. Now, for our we are seeing the sun. Okay, how much time it takes sun to reach our ground? 8 minutes. Okay, ma, 8 minutes, correct. Okay. Now, how can you say that time is again the time? Okay, when I talk about time, how will you calculate time is equal to? Yes, distance by speed. Okay, distance by speed. Okay, how much distance sun to earth? Okay, 150 million. 150 million. 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. Okay, Puta? 150 million kilometers. 150 into 10 to the power of 6. Okay, correct. 1 crore 50. Okay. 150 million we will get. Then, what is the velocity? See, we told time is equal to distance by speed. Distance you will know. Okay, 150 million kilometers. Then speed, that is velocity of this light. See, after all that sunlight we are getting, no, it is a light velocity. Okay, when you go to higher classes, light velocity is a very, very important. That is, whichever profession you go, you become doctor or you become engineer or scientist or chartered account or pilot officer or police inspectors. Okay, what is required is speed, light. That is 3 lakh kilometers per second. 3 lakh kilometers per second. Okay, then you calculate distance by time, by speed, then you will get how much you get the seconds? 8 minutes 15 seconds you will get it. Okay, that means whatever sun we are seeing, okay, now sunlight is coming, I am seeing at this point, but that sunlight started from the sun 8 minutes 15 minutes back. Okay, 8 minutes 15 seconds back that has started, that reached here. Okay, so here what is the important is distance. Okay, 150 million. Okay, and another thing is that distance is called the sun to earth distance. Sun to earth distance 150 million. The sun to earth distance 150 million in our astronomical science. Okay, we call it 1 astronomical unit. Okay, 1 AU, astronomical unit, means the distance between sun and earth. Okay, so that is 150 million kilometers, or time wise you can say 8 minutes also we can say that. And similar way, now if you see it 150 million, that is called 1 AU we call it actually. Okay, then if you see from sun, first Mercury will be there, then Venus will be there. Okay, they are all less actually. I have put it in the plan, my presentation. Then Earth is 1 astronomical unit. These two are less actually. Then afterwards Mars will be there, and Jupiter will be there. Then Saturn will be there, Uranus, Neptune, those things. Okay, these and all astronomical units only their thing is here. Then we know that light velocity per second is 3 lakh kilometers. If it travels for 1 year like that, that is called the distance travelled by light for 1 year is called 1 light year. 1 light year. That comes some trillions actually. At 10 to the power of 12 kilometers it will come actually. Okay, I mean this is that 56240 astronomical units is equal to 1 light year actually. Okay, I have sent that material also, people can go through this one. Okay, night time when we are seeing stars, no, when it started, so many light years, light years. Saturn actually, Cassiopeia and stars, it started 3500 light years back. 3500 light years. Okay, those stars we are seeing now, we don't know whether that is existing now or not actually. Okay, just okay, simple thing is sun is there, all planets are moving around the sun. That is only the fundamental rule of Kepler's first law. Kepler's laws we call it. Okay, when you come to 12th and all, you will be coming across. In this astronomy, space science, if you think, the first and foremost important fundamental rules are Kepler's laws actually, where it says that all planets are moving around the sun as a focal point, and it moves in a elliptical way. Okay, those things are there. Okay, because of this distance it takes more time actually. See, now Earth takes how much time around the sun? 365 days. Anybody can imagine Jupiter? Okay, if you want to calculate, what do you have to do? You have to calculate means, okay, you have to calculate. See now how that actually that 365 days is coming. Are 1 year. Are 1 year. 1 year means 365. 365 means 1 year. But how you are getting that? Huh? Because distance. How much distance? 150 million is distance, that is radius. Okay, Putta? But it has to travel around the sun. That means you have to calculate circumference. Circumference is equal to radius. If you know how you calculate circumference. Good. 2 pi r. Okay? A simple thing. See, hello, Mr. See, there are only two formulas. One is in pi r square for area. Okay? Another one is 2 pi r for circumference. Then pi r square h for volume. Simple things. Okay? Nothing to get confused. Okay? Because why, no, just I wanted to give this only. See here, the circumference is a distance. Distance is always in kilometers. Okay? Distance will be in kilometers. Okay? So, if you put pi r square, just you assume, then what happened? You will get kilometer square. Correct, no? So, it is not pi r square. Just we have to think. Okay, suppose in my mind whether 2 pi r or pi r square is that. Okay, circumference is the finally distance. Distance will be only in kilometers, that's all. Okay, distance from here to Mysore means it cannot be kilometer square or something. It is only in kilometers. Okay, so if you put the pi r square, radius square, if you put kilometers square, it will come. So pi r square is not the thing. We have to apply 2 pi r only. Okay, just to remember, if you get confused anywhere, you think just once. Then area. Okay, area means what you are doing in normally length into breadth. If you multiply by kilometers by kilometers, what you will get? Kilometer square. Okay, meters into meters, meter square. Okay, so for area, how will you calculate for area of the rectangle? Length into breadth. Okay. That means length in meters, breadth also in meters, meters into meters, meter square. Okay. Same rectangle, if you take the circumference, 2L plus 2B. 2L plus 2B. That means that is also meters, this is also meters, all you are adding. So you will get finally you will get what? See, suppose 6 meters, 4 meters, 4 meters, 6 meters. So finally meters only you will get it. Okay. So circumference will be only meters or kilometers. Okay. See now what happened? See, see, we are telling them 365 days. Everybody says that 365 days. Only thing is what we have to just a little bit think. Okay, how I get that 365 days? See, suppose school student or somebody not coming to school, there should be some difference. That fellow also knows that 365 days, 1 year it takes. We also knew that. Just only 1 minute if you think. Okay, that means time. Time means distance by speed. Okay, now the distance we have to calculate. So we know that radius, sun to earth radius 150. You apply 2 pi r. Okay, that will become the 940 million kilometers. Kilometers it will become. Then you put the velocity. Okay, then earth velocity, how much? 107 kilometers per hour. Now earth is moving at 1 lakh kilometers every instant. We don't know that. Okay, it is moving at the 1 lakh kilometers speed it is moving. So if you put that total that circumferences divided by the speed, you will get number of days exactly 365. Here only the problem, even for me also, today also, even though I am 60 and retired scientist and all these things, when I want to do conversion, I do mistakes. Humble, I am telling them. Okay, for everybody that will happen. But only thing is, when you do the mistake, in class if you do it, okay, the damage will be loss will be minimal. If you do it board exam, kata mugiside. Then if you do it at the competitive exam, Faisal, you will not get job. Well, that much you have to see that. Okay. So here very, very careful things are there. These are the very, very simple things actually. You have to understand it. Now, see, we have sent the satellites and all these things, rockets and all these things, where actually human is not involved. Okay. Suppose human is there, then what is our major target is, major goal, to bring the crew. See, crew will go there and do, that is when nominal condition. Otherwise also, in case of anything happens, that crew should come back safely. Okay, because of our rocket failure or some other failures, crew should not die. Okay, that you see, suppose one rocket goes, 100 rockets I will get it. If suppose one astronaut dies, then so in our next future program, that human space program, what we are doing next year onwards, that is not that Gaganyaan, means Gagan means Akashadinnalle. Alliki now we are planning to send the 3 astronauts there, where our same rockets only will be there, where actually more safety features will be there. In case of anything happens, they should come out and reach safely actually. That is very, very important. So for that, what you see, suppose normal helicopters or flight, something accident happens, what will happen? Immediately that safety things will be there and parachute will come. Similar way here also in our rocket, one more module will be there, where crew will be sitting there. Okay, suppose here crew will be sitting there inside this one. Over this, crew escape module will be there. That is what actually last October 22nd we have tested that test here. See, when we are rocket is going, some abnormality firing started, then they cannot jump from here. So what happened? Over this crew escape model, CES, will be there. That will be taken out, like the crane. It will take out this total your car or something from the traffic where actually that accident happens. Immediately it will drop at the safe place. Then that safety crew, rescue teams will go and rescue that and bring it back. That is a major difference. See, now so far satellites things are where human not involved. In our future human space programs, Gaganyaan and other space stations, where a human is involved, safety is very, very important. In case of any abnormalities, that aborting mission, we call it abort, ABORT, abort. Okay, then it will take out them.